Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today in the kitchen I'll be showing you how to create this delicious dinner from start to finish. Okay guys, so let's start by making our green beans first. Here I have the green beans already washed. I'll be using some chicken broth, garlic powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, complete seasoning, bouillon, and some butter. To a preheated skillet, I will add a little pinch of oil just to prevent the butter from burning. Then I will go in with that butter, allow it to melt. Once it melts, we will add the seasoning in here, give it a good toss, and then we'll add our green beans. You want to toss the green beans around, make sure that it's coated with the seasoning, and then we will add our chicken broth. We'll cover this and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. We just want to soften the green beans a bit, but it still will have a bite to it. It won't be like mushy, okay? Once it is done, we'll remove it from the skillet and set it aside. For the second side, I'll be doing some lemon garlic pasta. I'll be using linguine, but feel free to use whichever pasta you like. I have some crushed red pepper, ranch seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some garlic. I have heavy cream, some lemon zest, lemon juice, and some butter. To a boiling pot, you want to add some salt, and we will add our pasta in here and allow it to boil until it reaches our desired texture. Once it is boiled, you want to strain the pasta and just set it aside. To a preheated skillet, I will add a pinch of oil just to prevent the butter from burning. Then we will add the butter. Once it melts, we'll add our garlic and our lemon zest. We'll allow to go for about a minute or so, after which we will add some of that pasta water. I forgot to tell you guys to save some of the water because we'll be using that instead of white wine. If you want to use chicken broth, you can also use that. We will add our heavy cream, then we will go in with our seasoning as well as the lemon juice, and we'll allow everything to reduce a bit and thicken. Once it thickens, we'll go in with our pasta. Give it a good stir. Make sure that it's nicely coated in that sauce. This is so quick and easy, but it's so delicious, guys. And we will add some Parmesan cheese in there. You don't have to add that, but I just felt like I needed some fresh Parmesan in there. And then we will garnish with fresh parsley. And that's it, guys. Set aside, and now we will finish up our entrees. So let's prepare our lobster tails. I will show you guys. I saved one to show you exactly what I did. I just cut the entire shell off, leaving just a piece of the tail on for presentation purposes. So I just, do what I'm doing here. Just price open the shell, and then I cut the back and just remove most of the shell and leave a little bit of the tail on. And yeah, that's it. I washed up in some lemon juice, and then we will season this. So for the marinade, I'm using some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and some parsley flakes. We'll mix it to combine, and then we'll add some lemon juice and some butter. Once everything is well combined, we will go ahead and just brush this marinade over top of the lobster tails. Very simple. One thing you never want to do is over season seafood. And just do what you see me doing here. Coat the lobster tails real well with that marinade on both sides. And we will just allow it to sit and marinate while we prepare the crab cakes. So now for the crab cakes, I'll be using some jumbo lump crab meat, some mayonnaise, mustard, fresh parsley, fresh bell peppers, onions, 1 egg. I have some lemon juice, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, paprika, Old Bay, complete seasoning, and black pepper. So what I did was add the mayonnaise, the mustard, the egg, and the seasoning, as well as the lemon juice to a bowl, and I just mixed well to combine. And then I went in with my crab meat and the vegetables. Once you add the crab meat and the vegetables, you want to just gently fold it in because you don't want to break the crab up too much. You want the chunks of crab meat still in the crab cake, right? So you want to just go in gently and just toss it, and then we will prepare to just make our crab cakes. But I have lost the clip when I was actually making the crab cakes, like forming them, so I couldn't show you guys that part, but you'll see what I did. So this is what I did. I formed the crab cakes and I got 5 out of the amount of crab that I had. Now you want to place this in the freezer for about 5 to 8 minutes. We want them to firm up a bit before we place them in the oven. After about 8 minutes in the freezer, we will place this in the oven, and you want to preheat your oven to broil. Set it on high and let these broil for about 15 to 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, this is what we have here. Now, I didn't let the lobster tails go for 20 minutes. Those went for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I removed them. But the crab cakes, I allowed them to go for about 20 minutes. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is our delicious Father's Day dinner idea. When I tell you it paired well, those lemon garlic noodles were amazing with the crab cakes and the thing. And let me tell you, I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.